Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the best products on the market.
Today, we've got something special for you.
If you're looking for the ultimate protection for your face and want a matte finish with a touch of tint, you've come to the right place. We're talking about the EltaMD UV Physical Tinted Face Sunscreen, a true game-changer in the world of skincare. This is a 3.0-ounce tube of goodness that's packed with features to keep your skin safe and looking fabulous. So, stick around as we dive deep into what makes this product the best mineral sunscreen spray you can get.
First and foremost, let's talk about protection.
The EltaMD UV Physical Sunscreen boasts a sun protection factor of 41, which means it provides excellent protection against both UVA and UVB rays. Now, what makes this sunscreen stand out is its mineral-based formula. It contains zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which are known for their superior sun-blocking properties. These ingredients form a protective barrier on your skin, effectively shielding it from the sun's harmful rays.
Here's the game changer: it's tinted.
The light tint not only evens out your skin tone but also leaves you with a natural-looking, matte finish. Say goodbye to that greasy, shiny sunscreen look. Just take a look at this before and after comparison.
The difference is incredible, right? EltaMD UV Physical Sunscreen is water-resistant for up to 40 minutes, making it perfect for those sunny days by the pool or at the beach.
No need to worry about constant reapplication. But that's not all. It's also ideal for those with sensitive or post-procedure skin. The gentle formula helps calm and protect your skin while providing the necessary sun defense. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied users.
Fantastic for oily skin.
Gentle on sensitive skin. Perfect for fair and sensitive skin. These are just a few of the glowing reviews from users who have fallen in love with EltaMD UV Physical Sunscreen. Applying this sunscreen is a breeze. Just follow the directions on the packaging. It's crucial to use sunscreen daily to prevent sunburn, reduce the risk of skin cancer, and slow down premature skin aging caused by the sun. So, there you have it, folks. The EltaMD UV Physical Tinted Face Sunscreen is not just a sunscreen. It's your skin's best friend. With its high SPF, tinted matte finish, and gentle formula, it's no wonder it's considered the best mineral sunscreen spray on the market.
Thanks for joining us on Product Critique today.
If you're looking for superior sun protection that also leaves your skin looking flawless, this product is the answer. Don't forget to hit that buy now button, and let us know in the comments if you've tried it before. Until next time, stay protected, stay fabulous, and stay tuned to Product Critique.